Okay, now for everyone's favorite question. What is this? This right here is a semicolon, okay? And what it is that little dot above the comma. And what does it do? Well, basically, here's what you're going to see a semicolon do. It's going to separate two independent clauses. Okay, so let's backtrack a little bit. What is an independent clause? An independent clause is basically going to be a group of words that can be its own sentence, okay? So, one of the tricks that you need to do is when you're reading a group of words, as you go through it, find the midway point. Usually, it may be marked with a comma, okay? Then draw a line, like this. Oh, see, look, there's the comma there in the middle. Draw a line down the half. Now, ask yourself this question. Andrea chose to major in business. Could that be its own sentence? Yes, it can. Now, read the other half. Nathan chose technology. Could that be its own sentence? Yeah, it can, okay? It doesn't sound as complete, but yes, it has the subject and it has the verb. So it can be its own sentence. Therefore, we need to use a semicolon. So instead of the comma, you'll find the answer choice that doesn't change any answers, but uses a semicolon. That's how you do this kind of question, okay? Let's look down here at the second question, okay? Let's read it out loud. The baby was obviously getting too hot. Then Sam did what he could to cool her. Okay, so where do we draw the line? Good job. Right here by the comma. Okay, now ask yourself the question. Could this first group of words be its own sentence? Yeah, very good. It can be its own sentence. Okay, now read the last half and ask yourself if it can be its own sentence. It's a complete thought. Okay, so in this place right here, you will need to replace that comma with a semicolon, okay? So just as a final thought, remember, a semicolon is the exact same thing as a comma and an and. It goes between two independent clauses.